welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Gunjal Patel and here I am back with another video. So I have my lovely sister with me here. Her name is Tanvi Patel and today we are going to do some fun game with a spin wheel where we have inserted some makeup items and I'll let Tanvi explain the rest of the challenge. So yeah.
थैंक यू कुंजल, इतना बोलने के बाद मुझे मौका दिया इतू सा बोलने के लिए. सो द गेम इज दैट द स्पिनर will spin the wheel and the opinion that is me. I'll blindfold myself and I'll apply the product which the spin wheel has been selected. That is now the foundation. So the foundation I'll apply on the spinner's face, that too with a blindfold.
So yeah, this was the explanation. I hope you guys understood. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump into it. So we'll begin with the game and she is the blindfold. Matlab she'll do the makeup for me and I'll spin for myself. So let's see what do we get in this spin. Okay, it's the lipstick. Oh god. कुछ चालू हुआ ही नहीं कि पहले लिपस्टिक आ गई. So let's see how it goes. So I have some bunch of lipsticks with me here. I'll let her choose what she wants. Okay, so this was not my wish. I wanted some nude color, but this is purple, which is not my favorite. But still इसको मिला है, अब तो लगाना पड़ेगा. Let's see how she applies.
Sorry Kunjal, but I have to do it. I think that was something. Stop laughing, please. I think I'm done. Should I open that?
So this was it. I had to wipe something because it had literally touched
Show
my
me, show me.
nose.
It looks good.
Shut up, why it good looks. इतनी गंदी लिपस्टिक तो मैंने आज तक नहीं की. But it's okay. I'll take the revenge.
It's okay.
So yeah, now it's her
my
chance to
turn.
spin the wheel. So I'll come back with a bit.
So now it's my turn to spin the wheel. Let's see how Gunjal will take the revenge.
कुछ अच्छा हो जाए.
It's a foundation.
Oh, so lucky. मैंने लागिस तू. Foundation, sponge. Foundation. चलो, we have the beauty sponge जिसको हमने 2 हिस्सों में काट डाला. I guess I'm done. इससे ज़्यादा मुझ में पेशेंस नहीं है ब्लेंड करने के. I hope. Can I
hope
take off
good.
the blindfold?
See this?
But still, yours is better than mine, okay? Look at my... She got something really very nice on her skin, that is foundation, and it's a perfect base. So what we are doing is, we are removing one item as we are completing it so that we don't repeat the same item again. So now I am the spinner, so let's see अब क्या होता है मेरे साथ. What? Smoky eye?
That's so flat.
It's like a really bad day for me, but never mind, we'll start with smoky eye. I don't know पूरा मेकअप खत्म होने के बाद मैं भूतनी लगूंगी। अच्छे से करना दिस टाइम। प्लीज डू थोड़ा सा जस्टिस फॉर मी, तेरी बहन हूँ। लेट्स सी हाउ शी डज।
I'm done.
ब्लेंड करना थोड़ा थोड़ा
अभी
एटलीस्ट
कैसे करूँ?
क्लीन दिस प्लीज। आई लुक हॉरिबल। ये तो है ही, ये भी।
See the black smoke is here everywhere. I'm so sorry about it. But I wish I would have done it. It's your challenge. It's your luck. I got the perfect foundation for myself. Sorry now. Nothing is left now. Put on your face.
मेरी तो इतनी बुरी हालत है। ये लिप्स और आईज। नाउ लेट्स सी इसकी क्या हालत करती हूँ। लेट्स सी
So
स्पिन।
I'll spin and let's see what is in my luck. It's a concealer.
Oh, fish. She's so lucky.
I'm so lucky.
कंसीलर तो देख इधर को पूरा लाल लाल कर देती है।
Blender. Don't move your face. Don't move, I cannot.
See, I came for a concealer, not for a massage or something.
ओके आई थिंक आई एम डन। इतना ही ब्लेंडिंग होती है मुझसे। कैन आई सी?
लेकिन ठीक ठाक है, चलेगा.
Look at me and look at her. This win you're not making me win, okay? So इतना बदतर कर दिया. अब let's see what will I get.
What is it?
Primer. I'm so happy that first base I have got properly to my skin. So let's see how she applies primer. ये ले.
I'm not because इसमें कुछ दिखेगा नहीं.
ओके इससे मेरा मेकअप थोड़ा अच्छा दिख रहा है. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट आई गेट फॉर हर.
Now it's my turn again to spin the wheel. Gunjan was lucky enough to get a primer. Let's see what I get.
So
It's a good one. It's a highlighter.
highlighter please. Okay, this is your cheek. इसके ऊपर
बस करो. highlighter, not a compact powder.
I am done. It's nothing visible like me. Like, look at my eyes and look at my lips. The main things where people get attracted to eyes and lips. इसने वही सूरत हालत के बाद now we have only 4 options left. So I hope I don't get eyebrow, but I know that वही मिलेगा. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. We got blush here, so I'm lucky enough to get blush. So yeah, let's give her items. ये ले तेरा brush, ये ले.
Open किया.
हाँ, open किया.
Is this?
Light. Don't move your face. Light does the part. अरे हाथ. I'm done.
So it's not bad. The reason
This
she
is
keeps
too
on-
dark, and
she
this
keeps
is
on
इधर
on the
इधर 2
face.
बार किया और इधर एक ही बार किया. This is not fair.
लेकिन आप आपका मुंह हिलाते ही रहते हो, इधर से इधर. You're not stable.
So I feel that blush is quite good, but इससे थोड़ा और कर दे. Okay, now it is something better, but still I hate my eyes right now and my lips because it doesn't at all match. This is purple and this is black. What a combination. Now let's see what she gets. I feel that she should get eyebrows.
I'll spin the wheel and I'll wish for the good. Hope so I get something good. No. It's an eyeliner. Should I cry or laugh?
Be quiet.
You only say it first, then I'll show it. to
It's
you.
okay. I'm done.
See, guys, look at this and this.
Still, she looks better
See,
than
still I
me.
look better because I have a pretty face.
And
But look at this.
I think that I have done a good job. I should win.
No, she
I have
has
done
not done a good job
nicely.
because I have a good eye. That's why it's looking better. Yes.
I feel that I have done a great job.
No.
With
No.
I told I'm good at
No.
wing liners.
No.
I am.
No.
And look at her. She can't even apply lipstick without me.
No.
बड़ी बड़ी ठोकती है नहीं. I can apply lipstick. Okay, so last 2 of the items are left, and I wish that she gets eyebrows because I literally hate doing eyebrows. Lip liner is also fine one time, but let's see what she does. I literally don't want eyebrows. Today I am literally unlucky to get
It's an
I
eyebrow.
got eyebrow. Please यार. And she will get lip liner. तो उसका पूरा lip I'll do like Hanuman. So never mind. वो भी मेरे जैसी दिखेगी.
But give full justice to my eyebrows. We have only one eyebrow pencil which is brown color, and that's why I'm lucky to have brown, black nail. Do it nicely, like lightly, hopefully. Keep your face stable first. Where are your brows? Don't move. तेरे को चोली तो लगा उतार नहीं मानो रुकिए रुकिए अब तो खत्म नहीं हुआ ऐसे ऐसे पेंसिल ऐसे घुमानी चाहिए ठीक है ऐसा ये फिर वैसे तो आपके आईब्रोज बहुत अच्छे हैं आई थिंक थोड़ा ओवरडू हो गया है उसको क्लीन कर देते हैं कर दो लाइक कर दो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि रिवेंज का टाइम है इधर थोड़ा नहीं यार बस
चलो I'm done. Should we
Okay.
I think it's good enough. See, it's far more better than this.
I
Yeah.
feel that pencil इधर उधर चली गई है, but eyebrows are fine, better than my eyes.
Far more better than my eyes.
No, my eyes and lips, they look horrible enough.
See, look at
Please do not unsubscribe my channel after this challenge because I know this is not my type. Okay, I clearly win because इसका पूरा थोबड़ा अच्छा दिखता है. But still, you guys comment down below and let me know how I did and how she did. So, the last one is left is lip liner, which I'll be doing to her lips. So yeah, let's get blindfold.
till now I'm lucky enough. Let's see now which lip liner does Gunjal apply on my lips. Gunjal, please select a good color and a light color. Please.
Okay.
It's not sharpened. I'm so sorry.
शार्पन करो इसको.
लगा
तो क्यों हंसा रही है फिर? अरे हम झूठ रहे.
I think she's
अरे ठीक से तो लगाने दे, ब्लेंड नहीं हुआ.
enough. This is too much. I don't have.
चल चल चल, मैंने भी नहीं पूछा, इतना नाक पे लगाया था तूने तो. तेरी इतनी नहीं दिख.
देखो देखो.
But still, I did a good job than her.
Because I'm pretty, so anything looks good on me.
So I know we are looking very pretty. So tell me guys, who did the makeup really very well instead of being blindfold? So I want you guys to comment down below that who looks better. Yeah.
Yeah, and see guys, this is not me originally, but I hope you like me sing again on this channel.
So this was it guys for today's video, and yeah, I look horrible. So please do not unsubscribe me after looking at this video. This was just a fun challenge. I had come to visit them and thought of having nice video with them. So yeah, this is it. So behind the camera I have my sister. She was handling the other stuff. So I literally thank you Divya Patel for being there.
So guys, we'll be back with a new game very soon. So please like,
share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and if you want her to be on my channel, please let me know so that I can get her from Hyderabad to Goa again. So yeah, this was it, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then,
goodbye.
bye.